Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am laichenir and today I'm going to be doing a install first impression slight review of this hair here. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get into the wig. I got this from CurlyMe Hair. And I got this wig off TikTok. I was seeing it on TikTok a whole lot, so I wanted to see what it was about. It's supposed to be a wear and go glueless wig, and I'm hoping so because again, I have somewhere to go. So this is how it comes in the packaging. So you get an elastic band, the wig, you get a bag to put the hair in, and inside the bag you get a wig cap, little contact card, some lashes, an edge brush, and a melt band. So you get some nice little goodies inside the bag. So here is the wig here. I got a 26-inch Kinky straight. It's supposed to be pre-bleached, the knots plucked, all of that. So we are going to see. It is pretty long, so I would say that it's probably true to length. Oh, here it has removable combs. It shows you here that it has removable combs. It already has an elastic band in here, which is great, and it has some combs on the side. So let me just show you guys the construction of the inside. It has the little, it's like the cap is kind of shaped around your ear here. So yeah, let's just put her on. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. It's not bad. It is kind of tight. I may have to adjust the elastic band, but yeah, this is what it looks like right now, which again is not that bad. It doesn't have too much extra lace like some wear and go wigs, so this is cool so far. Again, it is pretty long. It goes all the way down to my waist. This is a long 26-inch, but I'm not mad at it. I guess I can keep the middle part. I don't have too much time to be doing a whole lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some makeup. I'm gonna add some makeup to like this part here because as you can see, it needs to be matched to my skin. It's starting to look better already. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after just, you know, hot combing the part a little bit, making it a little bit flatter, and adding the concealer to my hairline, and I'm not mad at it. Like this is a nice little wear and go wig. I'm actually going to flat iron it just because I just want it to be a little more straight, like giving silk press in a way, even though right now it's not bad. The crinkles, because you know how sometimes kinky straight hair can have like crazy crinkles. This isn't too bad. There are some like back here a little bit, but it's not too bad. So I'm just going to flat iron and curl the hair because the reason why I got this hair is because I saw on TikTok the girls are doing wand curls, bumping it. So that's what I want to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna flat iron my hair really quick, just doing a cute little run through, and yeah, so I'm just gonna speed that up. So here is the flat iron side. It's so cute. And then this is just the regular side. So I'll just go ahead and flat iron this side too, and then just come back once I'm done. Okay guys, so it's the hair all flat ironed. Isn't she so cute? I'm feeling good with this. This is so cute. So I'm just gonna do like a little curl test, I guess, in the front just to see if it curls, because that's the reason why I bought it. So let's do a little curl. Okay, so we got a curl. And usually with kinky straight hair, the curl, like it will curl, it's just that will it hold the curl? So I guess we just have to see. I don't know if it will, but yeah, I'm just gonna curl the ends to see if it'll, you know, stay. You got to share, but call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been out alone. But if you're alone, then it's something, it's something. I don't know. It's not giving, they're keeping the curl. Like this is still there a little bit. So I guess maybe it does, because these were kind of lazy, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'll try it again a little bit later when I have some more time, but for now this is cool. Yeah, this is cool. This works. I might as well just do this side too, just so they match. So here's the finished result. Just put a little bit of curl for like, I guess like a little face framing thing. I haven't done any layers, cuts, or anything. I don't have the time, but my next install I will come back and do all that. So let's get into the specs of the hair. So again, I got this from CurlyMe Hair. I got a 26-inch 7x5 closure wig. I believe it's HD lace. The lace is cool. Wear and go, pre-bleached, knots plucked, ready to wear, ready to slap on, which I did earlier. I just added some makeup to the hairline so it can match my skin. A hot comb, the closure to make it a little flat, just some little curls, flat iron the hair. I ended up spending $194 for it. I think it came within like a week or so. I don't think it took too long to come. I did order from TikTok shop. As far as the hair goes, it's soft. It doesn't really have a smell. When I was flat ironing it, it did like start smelling like, I don't know what you could call it, but it had like a slight smell once I started flat ironing it, but like off rip, when I took it out of the packaging, it didn't have a smell. It's soft. The color is nice. I would say like it's in like a 1B off black type color. I don't see too much brown in here, but I may see more once I get into the sun. I don't know. So yeah, so far so good. I do like the wig. I like the fit of it. I feel like it's snug. I probably wear like a size 22 medium, like average head. So I think it'll be good for that. It's pretty comfortable right now. I'm not mad at it. So I'll just come back, you know, like I usually do in a couple months or so and give you guys an update, like a thorough review after wearing it for a little bit. And yeah, I'll just put the specs of the wig down below in the description box. If this video was helpful for you guys, please like this video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.